Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. We'll be covering the Starship launch today, live from SpaceX, and also watching what crypto is doing. Dogecoin, is it going to go on a trip today? Of course, April the 20th. On the Starship. We've seen Dogecoin pump up in the last few days, and we'll see what happens today. We'll keep our eye on our crypto bubbles. We'll keep our eye on Starlink, and we'll join it throughout the morning, so you won't miss anything. It'll be here live on our show. We have it all queued up. We have Starlink all ready to go. I've got my direct feed, of course, from Elon Musk. There it is. The Starship is ready to take off, and we'll be covering it live on our show and seeing if Dogecoin takes a trip on April the 20th. Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. Welcome everybody to the show, and let's see how we go this morning. I don't know why my screen just moved there for a moment. Bit strange. Anyway, there we go. Let's get straight into our live trades. If it's your very first time here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Let's get straight into it. Bring the ticker on the screen so you can see everything you need. There you go. And there's my overall portfolio. Let's go through all our positions this morning and see what's up and see what's not. Okay, here we go. So this is the day after the night before. Of course, we were dealing with Elon Musk yesterday and Tesla on the earnings report. What a day it was. Let's see how things pan out today. Let's get straight into it. Okay, here we go. First of all, the S&P is down slightly at 0.71. Virgin Galactic down 2.2. Down all again. I said I'm not touching it until it goes below 3 now. Rob Newland. Good morning, Rob Newland. This is one of my friends from years and years ago. So lovely to see you. Now, Rob is a trader as well. He's an investor and trader. And as we get to know more about him on the show, we might be able to hear from him. Welcome, Rob. I knew Rob as a little boy, actually, like 20, 30 years ago. And it's lovely to see Rob here. He's an investor and trader himself. So, Rob, we are watching today. We are watching SpaceX. We're ready to rock and roll, and we're also watching Dogecoin. Let me go over to my crystal bubbles and see what's moving this morning. There we go. We have a quick look around. What is up? XRD is up 59%. Let's zoom in. Let's have a quick look. There we go. Radix is up, but we're looking on the week. Let's go back to the day position and see what's moving today. We've got BTT, Hex, CAS up at 10% now. Let's go on the hour. Let's have a quick look on the hour. What's going up? Hex is down 2.6. KAS is up 4.6. There is our bubbles today. We'll keep our eye, of course, on Dogecoin as well. There he is down there. There's our little doglet ready there to fly perhaps today on Starship. We will cover it. There we go. All right. Now then. I know that, Rob, you are interested in crypto. Well, we've got Sensei Crypto here. He's one of our sponsors. He pays $99 a month to sponsor our channel. I always open and share everything with everybody. And what he does is he does our crypto challenge. And on our crypto challenge, we have $1,000 that we're turning into $10,000 live on the show. My real money. All of this is my real money. But this is it here in our crypto challenge. Now, we have some of our members on the 7,000 to 100,000. I'm on the 1,000 to 10,000 challenge. Much more conservative, and this is my position. Now, only 40% thereabouts is invested. About $400 is invested. The other 600 is pretty much all on USDC, earning 4% on Coinbase, of course, and there is the 151 profit on just 400. So we're doing very, very well on that. Very, very happy with that. And Ali will do his daily charts and everything else. Tell us what to buy, what to sell. I don't get involved in crypto. That is all down to Sensei Crypto. who does all the charts for you. Very, very good stuff. You might enjoy that on our Discord. Let me give you the Discord. And if you've just tuned in, anybody, you'll notice 95% of our live viewers are members. It's with the highest engagement rate on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. There is the invitation should you wish to do so. Here is our Discord link, and then you can see all Ali Tisro's Sensei's tips as well, and learn more about his premium service. Okie dokie. I'm just scrolling down right now. I was going to just put some on the screen. No, that's okay. We're running, excuse me, I'm thinking out loud. Good morning, Dave Mottram. How are you this morning? I've been holding Doge since April the 13th, said Sensei. Hiya, Mike. Would everybody welcome in my longtime friend? I've known Rob Newland from the UK for many, many, many years, and there you go. He's in today. It's lovely to see him. Fantastic. All right, Dra. Good morning to Dra. Ali Isles. Good morning to Ali Isles. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, multiple websites, LinkedIn. Welcome to all of you. We are streaming over 20 platforms today. Sid from the Netherlands. Mike is here as well. Eric B is here as well. Keaton S is here as well. Welcome to all of you. Okay. Malk UK. Good morning. Jason from Australia. Good morning to you, our friends from around the world. Okay, let's get back to it. We are watching Starship today, and we are also watching Dogecoin today because it's taking off today. And the question is Starship going to be taking up Dogecoin for a trip today, pardon the pun, on April the 20th. Okay, we'll also be watching Tilray and see what it does. There is Starship. We will stream it shortly. Hi, Rob. Very nice to have you here. There you go. Rob's getting a welcome in from Sensei. Good stuff. Okay, let's come back to it. Let's go for our positions. Virgin Orbit, 75% pre-market. Rivian down 3%. Tesla 166, still going down. Now we're running a poll. We're running a poll today, and I want to see what you think about this. The poll is Tesla up or down tomorrow after tonight's earnings. So this is the poll. We've had 39 votes saying down. 39 votes, 61% say down. I would like everyone's thoughts on this, and leave me your comments as well. I bought it when it went down, and of course it's continued to go down. That's the way it goes. Copy the link here. Here we go. There you go. There is the 3 times so you can see it pop up. There is the poll. I'd like everybody's vote on this, please. It's my Twitter poll this morning. We are polling. Tesla up or down tomorrow, which is today, after tonight's earnings. 39 votes so far. Where do you see it going? Do you see it going down more? And give me your predictions in the comments. Do you see it going down lower? I've got an average now of 173. For the first time, I'm losing money on Tesla because I was up, of course, because I had it 110. But I've been buying up higher. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's bring in the comments here. 22. Did you buy more Tesla? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I'll share with you on the screen right now. And leave me your comments as well, where you think it's going. There you go. I said I would get it fully allocated to 15 shares. There is my 15 shares. And there you go. What do you think? Great to see you. I am praying for Tesla gap fill around 155 to 146. I want to hold my longs. Yeah, well, I use the Roth IRA so I can trade for free, tax-free as well. So I'm down right now, but I don't see it being down for very long. The earnings was okay, wasn't amazing. Business as usual. This is typical for Tesla. I think we'll rise again. And like I said, in my current financial position and balance of my portfolio, I will trim off. That's why I've got 15. I'll trim off the 5. If you can see now, I'm at 18.46. which is really maximum for Tesla. And that's why I bought it when it went down, because the idea is as it goes up, I can trim the 5 back to the 10, and that will put money back in my bank. And that's the way I'm playing it. That's the way I planned it before it happened. Mike, good morning. Sensei. Martin, this will be the link for Starlink when it goes live in 6 minutes. I think the link you have is just audio. Okay, I thought I had the right link, but let me have a look. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei, for that. I thought I had the right link. Let me have a quick look. Audio mission test. Maybe I do. Oh, I think you're probably right. I think you're probably right. Well, that served me right for getting prepared, didn't it? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, who's the professional here? Who's the professional YouTuber? I thought it was me. All right. Well, that made me look daft, didn't it? Oh well. There we go. Live and learn all the time. Okay. Thank you, Sensei, for that. Yes, you're absolutely right. We'll be there in just a few moments' time. Live in 3 minutes. Lovely stuff. All right, now I can go to it. Now I can bring it to you. And thank you. You saved my bacon there. There we go. There is Starship. Is Dogecoin aboard? Is Dogecoin going to trip today? There you go. All right. Let's have a look. No lie, I bought a packet of jam on toast tea this morning, and I'm just about to try it. Wish me luck. Send pictures, Keaton S, in the breakfast lounge, the breakfast bar on Discord, and I'll have a look in a second. I'm trying to see if Tilray will drop just a little, and I probably will buy more. Flutter Edits, you bought more. Yes, I've now got 15 Tesla now. Yeah. And it's still going down, so it's not great, right? It's not great right now. I knew it could go down, but I wanted to be in this morning. Anyway, particularly if this is a good earnings. This is a good flight, of course. It's got to be good. And Google is a big investor as well, as we know. There we go. Dogecoin. Sorry, there's Google, which is down slightly. But let me go to my brokerage, my Roth IRA position. That's where I hold it. Let's have a quick look. All right, here we go. There we go. We're down 0.62 at the moment. Best of luck, SpaceX, today. Let's hope we have a success indeed. We've got 2 minutes to go. Let me go over now to my overall positions. This is my overall position. We've still got our cash on hand. We're holding it, earning 4% on here, 1,846. That's my cash, remember. Emergency fund, that's what that is. Let's have a look at my Roth IRA, down 2%. Because of Tesla, we lost a lot of money with Virgin Orbit, of course, VorbQ now. But there, I've invested. I've gone all in on Tesla now, 52.7. So we're down about $800 from my all-time high. 53.4 was my all-time high. This is my real money, my real shares, my real positions. Can you transfer from Roth to brokerage? Yes, but you will then pay a penalty and you'll pay tax on the gains that I have made on Roth. So that's not a good idea. Also, if I withdraw, because that's what you're doing, you can't transfer. You've just got to take the money out, send the money back to your bank, and then send the money back in again. But I will lose the 1% match that I got, which is now currently $145. I will lose that if I do that within the first 3 years. And I'll also pay tax as well. So I'm not going to do that. I never intended removing the money from my Roth IRA. Right, so that's sitting there. But what I can do is I can sell. I can buy and sell tax-free, okay? Now I'm fully invested now. Now I'm waiting for Tesla to come up. Now I do have options. I always have options. What I can do is I have Johnson & Johnson, very heavy in my portfolio, $3,300, 25%. I'm up 1.26. I could sell some of Johnson & Johnson and I could buy with that money, I could buy Tesla now at 165. I could do that. So if J&J shuffles up a little bit today, I will take another couple of shares off the top. And if Tesla rumbles down, do you like my little words I'm using? Rumbles down, then I can buy some more Tesla. Okay, so I've got options. So I'll keep my eye open for all of this, and we'll watch throughout the morning. All right, back to Boca Chica right now, and here we go for SpaceX. We are waiting and listening in. Okay, nothing happening at the minute. Waiting for SpaceX broadcast to begin. This is just the thumbnail right now. I want to take my Roth money out to buy Tesla. Well, you can. You can take your money out of your Roth. I don't know your tax position. No, I can't tell you if it's the right thing to do for you right now. I have no idea. Okay, why would you buy Tesla at 165? It's going to 80. Well, you don't know that, do you? You don't know that. I mean, anything could happen. It's very, very expensive. It is overpriced. I agree. I've said it over and over again. But the stock price will grow into where it is right now. But I do think, yes, it could go lower. But and I've got money to add if it does. Anyway, Martin, very interesting chart. Look at Meta Materials. Huge gap down on news of public offering. Looking at starting a long position today. Rob, just like I was telling you last night, I was telling Rob about our membership plan. What I've tried to build here is the most honest, real channel on YouTube. And I answer everyone's question. But you can imagine I get thousands of comments and replies and so on and so forth. And I have a membership plan. It's not there to make me money. It's there to support the show. Because the only way I earn money, my only income is on YouTube. It's the only way I live. And it's the members that support the live shows. So we have many perks. And one of those is for my members, I reply to everyone's questions, make videos. I will review stocks, do charts. I can't do that for everybody. The show would be chaos. And I would have, no other YouTube channel answers every question, talks to every person. Impossible. What I do, so I do it for my members. So I can't review a stock or bring up charts for individual viewers. Even though you're a dear friend, it's something that the members pay a couple of bucks a month for. It's one of the perks of being a member. Rob was talking to me last night, and I was telling him about it. I think he misunderstood me. He said, "I don't pay to call in, or I wouldn't want to pay to share charts." But that's what we do. I have a membership plan, and if I tried showing charts for every viewer who tuned in, even if it was my mum and dad, it would be absolute chaos. I have to focus on my members. That's why the members watch me up to 10 hours a day live, more than any other channel on YouTube, because I'm committed to serving you, my members. So that's why I mentioned it to you. All right. SpaceX, here we go. SpaceX is moving. We're watching, we're tuning in, and as we see something, we will bring it to you. This is live Starship today, but we are keeping our eye on all the stocks at the same time. You won't miss anything with me, all right? So Microsoft just bouncing up now. The overall portfolio is trying to come up. The Roth IRA is just still trickling down. Let me have a look and see if I can trim off the top. If I go to J&J, it's my biggest position. It's the obvious place for money. It's a source of funds. Very often, that's what J&J is regarded as. Let's Tesla at 80. I wish. Yeah. We don't want Tesla to go to 80 bucks though. We don't, because if it goes down that low, then there's real problems. So it's very well saying, well, I would love it to go to $1 so I can buy all of it. I'll buy the whole company. But you don't, because that shows the company's in trouble if it does that. You don't want that. All right. Okay. So we have to think of the long-term effects of that. All right. So J&J, I'm up 1.26 because it's down recently. After the earnings, it dropped back a bit. So this isn't the best time for me to sell any J&J. However, I am up overall, so I can, if I want to now, sell a J&J, take a little bit of profit. I would expect to see J&J rally a bit today, though, and then I could, it's virtually share for share. What do you think? I'll run a poll here in the chat. What do you think? Sell some J&J to buy some Tesla? What do you think? Let's run a poll. Sell some J&J to buy Tesla. Get the average down. Yes or no? What do you think? I've got plenty. It is potentially overweighted, but if I sell a couple and buy Tesla will become my biggest position. And J&J is something I prefer because of dividends and security and everything else. However, I am in profit. I could trim a couple down, and then I could buy SpaceX. I could buy Tesla at a reduced price. Okay, and then I've got more to trim off, and that's the idea as it goes up, because I want to hold 15-20% on my portfolio, but I want to hold it when I'm in profit, not when I'm down. So the fact if I can build up 25% and then trim it back, then that's a win, right? Okay. There he goes again, talking about his Johnson. Why? I want. Why would you sell? Let me have a look. Mark is here. Hi, Brit Mark. Oh, there we go. Brit Mark here on Facebook. Hey, Brit Mark. How are you? Our Lego man. Rob Newland. Very interesting chart. Look at Meta Materials. Thank you, Rob Newland. There he goes again, talking about his Tesla at 80. I wish. Posted the pic in your Discord. The pic. We're watching SpaceX. Nothing to report just yet. Posted the pic in Discord. Let me have a quick look. What pic is that? Let me go into Discord. In the breakfast bar. That's where everyone posts their pictures for the morning. I love it. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Posted the pic in Discord. Look at this. This is good. There are your stocks. They're your stocks. Do as you wish. I will. I'd sell some S&P. S&P is only in my brokerage position. Not selling that. I was on Facebook, but sound went back on YouTube. Still looping. Still selling Lego. Thank you. We are at 3,300 watch hours now on my music channel. If you're a fan of mine and you're trying to help my music, I need to get to 4,000 watch hours. Click a playlist and loop it. We're now on 3,300. Hopefully today it will become 3,400. There is my music channel. All right, so let's go over to the Discord breakfast bar. And let's have a little look. So first of all, we've got Silver Surfer. Good morning. Well, I'm off to bed. It's see you all Monday. Silver Surfer is a nurse and he's working nights. Let's give him some support. There we go, Silver Surfer. Excellent stuff. Eric B is watching my Lady in Red video. Best love songs all time. There you go. There's my Lady in Red video. Check that out. Thank you ever so much for that. Thank you for looping it. Hopefully we'll be at 3,400 by tomorrow. Excellent stuff. Mike, good morning, Eric. Let me welcome Eric in. And there we go. Keaton S. I can't believe this exists and that I bought it. Yorkshire tea, toast and jam. I love it. There we go. That's got to be worth a like, innit? Absolutely right. There you go. Nice one. Thank you very much. That's the breakfast bar this morning. All right, back to you. Elon just tweeted Starship launch in 37 minutes. Thank you, Rob. Excellent stuff. Thank you for the information. Brilliant. Luke, thank you. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day for Tesla. So you parked your cash in J&J and basically earned the same as you would have or more from 4% interest on cash. So right now you can act as if it was cash. Indeed. Exactly. Let me change my screen a minute. Exactly. So we're watching. There's my overall position coming up. Let's have a look. Let's go back to Tesla. It's going down. I've got an average of 173, so I can buy it at $10 a share less. I would like to do that. So let me go to J&J. J&J, it's up 1.26. I can trim one off. Remember, I can always buy back. It's a much less volatile stock. Johnson & Johnson often gets used as a source of funds. It's a steady, slow stock. So what you could do is take one off Johnson & Johnson. I won't pay any tax for my profit, no matter how small it is. And I can use that money to literally buy a share of Tesla. And I can do that all day. Do we sense the market's going up today? I can always buy back. Let's say I sell one share of Tesla today. One share of J&J today, and buy at 165. When is the drop going to stop for Tesla? 165. That's quite a drop from 173. So I think I will do that. Would rather he tweeted about Doge. Remember, Doge can dump 10-20% if nothing happens today. Lots of speculation. Indeed, that's right. Let's go over to Starship once again. We are watching it. There's nothing to report right now. This is it here. We're keeping our eye on it, so you're not going to miss anything. We'll be there in about 15 minutes. It will go. There'll be more information, okay? So Starship, we are streaming it. Okay, let's have a quick look then. Let's go over to my Roth IRA now, and I think I'm going to sell one share of J&J. So we're going to go to my J&J position. I am up on it overall, not a lot, but I am. I can always buy back. Tesla is down. The difference between the two, the opportunity is greater for Tesla today. Johnson & Johnson I can buy back. Johnson & Johnson is not going to explode in a week. All right, and if it does, I've still got 24 shares. I've got another 20 shares on my brokerage account as well. Remember that. If I go back to my main my J&J position, Rob Newland. Oh, we got a new member. Rob Newland has just become a member. Rob, let everybody please welcome Rob in as a silver member to our channel. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, Rob, first of all, let me welcome Rob in. Could everybody please welcome our latest member to the family? Let's go and celebrate just for a moment. Here we go, and then I'll come back and do all your benefits and perks and benefits in just a few moments. So here we go. So we got a brand new member. That's Rob Newland from England, now in the US, I believe. Great to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. Now, Rob, as a silver member, you can have your own channel on Discord. You can have your own channel to share all your trades and links on Discord. If you want that, just request it and you can have that. You can also go on the homepage of my YouTube channel as well, so we can feature your YouTube channel. And now you can call into the show. I can review stocks for you. You can be part of our family. You can share your stocks, your trades. People can get to know you and trust you and know who you are. Absolutely fantastic. All right. Also, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser. We can celebrate your birthday for you or a family member. We can do a special song request. And we have live concerts after hours. You can join in that and pick songs. There are many, many perks and benefits. Let me give you Discord now, because now I can upgrade you and even give you your very own channel. You can have your own channel as a silver member. Here we go. Let me give it to you now. There's Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get in. So you might want to start that process right now. Now then, we've got some information now from SpaceX. The flight isn't yet. It's going to be another half an hour or so, but we will watch it. There's no countdown yet. We're just keeping our eye on it, and much better presentation than Virgin Orbit. I think you all agree this is a much better presentation than Virgin Orbit. Anyway, let's go back to J&J a minute. We'll keep our eye on SpaceX. Right then, let me have a look. J&J in my Roth IRA. Now then, go to my brokerage position. Yes, I've got plenty of it on my brokerage position as well. So I'm going to sell some J&J right now. Okay, I've got it in both positions. So I've got like 34 shares of J&J. So here we go. We're going to sell. I think we'll sell 2. Let me go to my Roth IRA. Here we go. And trade. Sell. A limit order. The price now is 162. 162. We'll call it 162. So it will go through. And at 162.10. We want to make sure it goes through. It's below the price. It will go through at the right price. I'm not worried. Continue. Extended hours. Yes. Today. Yes. Number of shares. 2. Roth IRA. Review. Okay. Amount of credit. Swipe up. Okay. Let's see if we can sell 2 shares of J&J right now. Okay. Order received. Order placed. And 162.10, we'll just give it a few moments. Sometimes it goes through straight away. Sometimes it doesn't. And we shall wait and see. Now, as soon as it does, so I'll come back to my trading screen here. As soon as it does, I will have some money to buy Tesla. Rivian hits 52-week low today. So we're watching it now, and as soon as it goes through, it's 162.10. If I go here, look, 162.10. I will do it slightly under because it will go at 162.17, but it's there just to get it in as quickly as possible. All right. So we're watching right now Starlink. Wow, no security check. Only because I did it on my phone. If I did it on my computer, the security checks are happening every time still. It's obviously a glitch with Google Chrome, but nevertheless, I did it on my phone. J&J has low pre-market volume. That's why it's not selling straight away. So it might take a while, but it will go through. And when it goes through, I've still got, I'll still have 32 shares over the 2 accounts, so I'm very, very weighted in J&J, so it's not a problem. I'm selling for a profit. I'm not paying taxes, so we're all good. And then when that goes through, look, Tesla's still falling, so it's probably good it didn't go through, right? And I will get more. Now, if Tesla suddenly shoots up, I don't mind. I don't want to buy any more, but I will if it goes down these sort of numbers. All right. So we're just waiting now for the order to go through. Very low volume right now. The overall portfolio is coming up. My Roth IRA is still going down. That's mainly because of Tesla. And in a minute, hopefully, we can pick up a better price. I don't know how low it's going to go. Nobody does. Doesn't matter. I'm investing in the company, not the stock price. Watching Tesla, SpaceX.
We are going to be trying to reduce complexity by attempting those hard water landings instead of trying a normal landing like you're used to on Falcon 9.
Exactly. We are not attempting to recover these vehicles. So yeah, hard landings in store for both.
Now, in a little bit, we'll take a closer look at the vehicle and the launch pad. But first, the teams have been doing a tremendous amount of work over the last few months. In fact, there's a great shot of our Hawthorne team up here bright and early to watch the launch. Teams have been prepping really
28
for the
minutes
last
to
few
go.
days.
We will come back to all of that. Tesla still going down. Okay, so that's presenting me with an opportunity. Great. Now then, I want to go over to Discord and Rob Newland. Rob, this is Discord. He's just become a silver member. Rob, you can have your own channel in Discord. You can also have your own, you can have your channel featured on our YouTube channel as well, in our silver members, okay? So what you do is go onto Discord. It will take 10 minutes to get through. This is the welcome all screen. And there we go. Mark, look at the brick mark. Welcome, Rob. He's already there waiting for you. This is where you'll come in. Come into the welcome all, Rob. Rob, come into welcome all on Discord. I can then upgrade you as a YouTube member. And that I can then give you your own channel if you want one. You don't have to have one. Don't have one for the sake of having it. It's for people to have things to share. Like, Rob, I know you're a trader. You might want to share your trades. J&J has sold. J&J has sold. J&J went for, let me look at the price right now, 162.17. It went for 162.15. There you go. You see what I mean? You need to allow a little bit of buffering there. 162.15. Okay, so I've sold for a profit. Now I've got some money to buy. Now, Aviation Mobile Apps is also coming in. So, Rob, go into welcome all, and I can upgrade you when you are done. Okay, I'll come back to my trading screen here. Investing in the company, not the stock price. Not for the stock price. That's right. These are important words you just mentioned. That's my strategy, mate. I'm old school. Mate. Welcome, Rob. There we go. Rob, you've got 2 more welcomes. Well, are you coming into Discord? So we can upgrade your account. You are Aviation Mobile Apps, by the way, made the app for the navigation system for Virgin Orbit. We have space technology people here in our show. We get the best. Remember I told you last night on Twitter, we've got the best team around us. Best crypto guys, best chart readers. We have creator here of Aviation Mobile Apps. Here is one of our sponsors. He's actually one of our actual sponsors, the $99 a month one. He is a huge support to our channel, and I can't wait to feature his apps and other stuff like that. I did cheekily ask him the other day, I want to get a Martyn Lucas Investor app. Never heard back from him yet. Still waiting. All right, let's go back to my trading screen now. And as we wait for Rob, our new member, to join us. Okay, so J&J. I'm on it, doing it now. Fantastic. Okay, here we go. So let's go back to Tesla now. Now we've got some funds. Tesla, 164. How low is it going to go? How low is it going to go? We don't know. I feel the fact it only moved last night 5% as encouraging. I don't know if it's going to go down to 110, 120, stuff like that. To be perfectly honest, I don't know the answer, quite honestly. So let me have a look. Let's go now down to Tesla. Tesla's now at 164. I've got a buy at... Let me share with you. We'll go back to SpaceX in a few moments. So let's let's buy a share of Tesla, and we'll put it at 165 because it will just make sure it goes through. So buy a limit order 165. Okay. Continue. Extended hours. Today, I'm just going to buy one for now. 165. Yeah. Review. Let's see if we get it for 165. There we go. I got it for 164.65. There you go. Brilliant. That will lower my average. My average is 172.88. So it's coming down. Okay. Back to my main position. I now have 16 shares. 16 shares. Okay. And 172.88. So, how low is it going to go? I honestly don't know. But now I have shares to trim, because as soon as it goes up to 170.75, I can sell one. I can take a profit on it and I can sell one. Let's go back to SpaceX for now. And if Tesla continues to drop, I'll buy another one. And I'll do it every sort of $10. I think that's the way to go. Here is SpaceX. Let me bring up the screen. Bring everybody up to date.
Now, in order to make life multiplanetary, we need a fully reusable vehicle that's capable of carrying a huge amount of cargo and a lot of people to orbit and have a pretty quick turnaround. The idea is to effectively reuse launch vehicles just like airplanes.
Yeah, imagine if you had to wait for a new airplane to be constructed every time you wanted to fly. You'd rarely go anywhere, and for most of us, it would be completely unaffordable. In order for us to get to Mars and back with lots of people, lots of cargo, multiple times, reusability really is a must.
In advance of our first missions to Mars, Starship will execute a number of missions with both cargo and people, starting with Earth orbit and eventually expanding to the Moon and beyond.
Now, in the near term and a bit closer to home, Starship will also be critical to other programs. Once fully operational, it'll deliver the full-size and upgraded version of our Starlink satellites, and that's super exciting.
Okay, we'll come back to that in a few moments' time. I want to know, so 52% said yes, I bought one. Let me end the poll right now, and I want to ask you, how low do you think it's going to go? So this is obviously difficult on a poll, but I can do that best with this poll here. Tesla up or down tomorrow after tonight's earnings. So we're running a poll right now on Twitter. I would like your thoughts here, please, and put the number you think it's going to go down to. If you think it's going to go down, 58% say yes. There, it's obviously already gone down, but let's see if it continues to go down. There is the poll on Twitter. I would like your thoughts, please. Leave a comment saying what's your price target. Okay, so what's your price target today? I've just bought one at 164. Are we going to 150, 40, 130? In fact, so you can vote and leave your comments over there on Twitter. Let me see how many people are in the stream right now. Oh, hang on a minute. Absolutely right. If you're enjoying this show today and you want to help me out, one thing that really helps the channel out is if you click subscribe and ring the bell as I go live up to 10 hours a day, and you'll miss stuff if you don't. But what really helps, and I'll go over there right now, is smashing the like button. It helps. It shares the video out, and we try to reach more people every day. So if you fancy doing that, we've got 39 watching right now with 16 likes. So let's try and do it. Let's see if we can put a minute on the clock, because we're going to give away a cash prize today if we get 100 likes. We're giving away a cash prize in our show if we get to 100 likes. You heard me right. We'll give a cash prize away. It's a bit of fun if we get 100 likes. Okay, we've got 37 watching. Look, 37 watching and 18 likes. We should do it. We should be at least 25 likes. If we get to 100, if we get to 50 likes, I will do one of my voices. You can have the voice of Michael Jackson, Elton John, Paul McCartney. You can have the voice of Andre Bocelli, Pavarotti, Richard Marx, Eric Clapton. I'll do a live singing voice live in the show at 50 likes. If we get to 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize live on the show. All right, there we go. 10 seconds to go. And by the end of the show, hopefully we'll be there. All right, there we go. 23, 24, 25. Excellent. Brilliant, guys. Best interaction. There we go. Fantastic. Right. Watching Tesla, 165. I just bought at 164. So I've made a profit on that one share. I've now got 16 shares of Tesla. Has it reached the bottom for today? My average is now 172. Hello space team, wherever you are in space. Would love your thoughts on GMDA if you've got time. Yes, aviation mobile apps, of course I have. You're one of our sponsors. Always got time. Let me have a look. GMDA. Let's have a quick look. Let's open a second screen up. Here we go. GMDA. Tesla's going up for the first time. I just bought one at 164. Soon get my money back. Gamida sell. Let's have a quick look. We're keeping our eye on Tesla. We're keeping our eye on the Dogecoin bubbles as well. We've got a lot going on today in the show. There's the day position. Can we see anything with Doge yet standing out on the hour? Let's have a closer look. What's up the most? Doge isn't standing out at the moment. And we're just waiting for a tweet from Elon Musk to see if... there he is. Doge up 3.1. Bottom left-hand corner. There you go. There's Doge right now. There you go. We'll keep our eye on it throughout the morning. Okay. Back to our main screen and back to SpaceX. We're also looking at Tesla. Just bought another one to lower my average at 164. We're going up now. Let's go back to live from SpaceX. We've got, how long have we got to go? 12 minutes to go before the flight, so we will cover it. Okay.
And counting. Propellant loading is continuing on both the Super Heavy and the ship stages. You can see the graphic on the left-hand side of the screen. Most recently, we began loading liquid oxygen and liquid methane fuel into the header tanks on Starship. Those are two small tanks just underneath the nose of the...
We will cover that as we get near the launch. We've got 12 minutes to go, so we will be there for that. You won't miss it. Let me go back to Discord. Still waiting for Rob Newland to appear in the welcome all screen. When he comes in there, we can upgrade our new silver member. Excellent stuff. So GMDA, this is for aviation mobile apps. We're up 13% today. Jamida Cell. Jamida Cell engaged in development of cell therapies to cure blood cancer. So straight away, this isn't my favorite stock. Not pharmaceuticals, but medical stuff like this. When you're in medical science, of course, J&J is similar, but not really. Anything like this is very, very high risk because it always swings on a positive or negative trial. It can suddenly go up 100%, 1,000% in seconds and equally go the other way. If it's is successful on a trial or unsuccessful or as a breakthrough in cancer or anything like that, it can really, it's incredibly volatile and I've never had any great success. I prefer, if I'm going to invest in this sector, I prefer an ETF because there are many companies all looking for the next breakthrough in medical science. And I prefer to own a ETF because I don't know which one is. I'm not an expert. I'm not a doctor or a scientist. I don't know which one is going to break through. And nor do you, probably. But it can make you a lot of money. And this is the sort of stocks that Ed Nevius trades every morning, makes a lot of money from it. And if you don't know, Ed Nevius is giving you the 15 hours of one-on-one training, and we are giving away a $1,025 prize, $125 in cash, and $1,000 value because you're going to get a minimum. And I always undersell and over-deliver. There is the competition giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all. And on April 28th, live on the show, and you don't need to be present to win. You don't need to be a member. It's free. You can enter for free as many times as you want. Every time you enter, you get more tickets. There are 42 people now involved with this competition. And every time that you do one of these actions, you turn it into a tick. I released a few more things, leave a precise video on Lucid a couple of days ago, 10 tickets for that. So if you want to go and have a look, 10 tickets yesterday for the Tesla video. It's free to enter, free for all, and you get 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius and $125 in cash he will give you of your own money to trade with. Absolutely brilliant. So there you go. Let's update it. Has anybody claimed their free daily ticket today? Every day you come back to that page, there's more tickets. 1322, 1334. There you go. Excellent stuff. So anyway, talking about the medical sector, back to Comida Cell. So I don't like this sector. It's very, very risky. Great. Ed Nevius loves it. Let's go deeper in. The next thing I like to do is history. Obviously, for this kind of stock, there may not always be great history, new technologies, and so on. It's only been around since 1998, so it's new. It's losing money. Most of these kind of sectors will lose money until they break through, and then suddenly they make more money than anyone. That's the risk you take. So it's losing money. Right now, in the current climate, I can't afford to invest in companies that are losing money. However, you might buy what I call a moon bag. You buy 10 shares of something like this, forget you own it. Forget you own it, and it's a lottery ticket. And if that company discovers the latest cure for cancer, you'll be rich. Not literally, but you know what I mean. You only need to own a handful of shares. I call it a moon bag. It's not a bad idea. So anyway, 52-week high 366, 52-week low 56 cents. Now I like to review the stocks by doing a back test for a back test portfolio, so you can compare it to the S&P 500. There's no point doing this one because it's only been around 5 years or so. I could do it. I could do it, but it's kind of obvious. It's kind of obvious that it would be nothing comparable. There's no point comparing the S&P to something like this because this is an explosive growth stock. Okay, I could do it, and we all know that the outcome you'd have made far more money in the S&P over the same period. We know that, but what this stock is about is the day it suddenly hits the shelves as the cure for cancer. Everyone's using it. Everyone's buying it. The government backs it. It becomes the #1 drug around the world, and off you go. So there's no point doing a back test. So this isn't my kind of stock. Let's look at a bit of history, though. Since Q3 21, we've seen some steady growth in income. For the first time, Q4, it fell off. It missed expectations. It's been beating it up to that point. Only missed it once on Q2. Of 22. So is this becoming a trend? We don't know yet. Expected May 9th. So we don't know what the estimation is going to be yet. I'd be looking out for that at least before I buy it. Now, if the expectation is down here, it's low, it gives and that's analysts, remember, that's not the company. If its expectation is dramatically low, that then presents opportunity for perhaps it to beat expectation, because that wasn't set by the company, it was set by the analysts. So what I would then like to do is dive deeper in, look at it, look at the balance sheet and see exactly where they are with the trials, maybe look at their filings and see where they are. Are they about to get a breakthrough? How do they feel? And then you would expect perhaps a beat, which then would put the price up. So that would be it. But I'd be researching this before I bought it. It's not my sector. I wouldn't buy this kind of thing. But if you did, you need to know the medical side of things. How close is it to a breakthrough? What's going on? Anyway, that's my thoughts on that one. Let me go back to SpaceX a minute. We've got a little bit of time to go. You won't miss anything. 4 minutes to go. We'll go there in a second. Tesla has gone up since I bought it. Won't take much to put me back in profit again. We're looking at Starlink. We'll be back there in about, say, 2 minutes. So we'll catch the countdown. Let me check if Rob has now made his way into Discord. Let me go to Discord. No, he's not. This is Rob. Once you get through the 10 minutes, come into the welcome all. Ice Age gonna drop to Ice Age gonna drop to 120. Says Rothschild. JP, good afternoon, Crag. What is the news for Dogecoin linked to Starlink? Like your thumbnail. Thank you very much, Baron Obel. Well, of course, it's April the 20th today, meme coin day, and we've got a fan of Elon. We've got Elon Musk, a fan of Doge. He's flying Starlink. Sorry, he's flying SpaceX. So I thought, you know what, it might be on the ship. Did you voice the Elmer Fudd? But sing beat it. Doge 4% up. Well, it was at 4. How's Tilray doing? A quick look for you, Crag, one of our members. Tilray, let me have a quick look. We're waiting for Starlink. We'll come right back there in a second. Hey Martin, I have signed up for Discord now. I've never used this before. Some reason I can't reply on the message board because it takes 10 minutes, Rob. 10 minutes to come through. You've got to verify your email. It takes 10 minutes. Lights went up on the mention of 420. Sensei Crypto, great news. 4 sheets to the wind already. Are you guys still bullish on XRP? Yes, I have. Keaton S. You know I claimed my free ticket. I knew you would. Yes, it's my top holding. Abdul, good morning to Abdul. Good morning to you. Where are you in the world? What's your native language? I will speak it to you. Why aren't we watching SpaceX? We are watching SpaceX. We are watching SpaceX. We are missing the build-up. No, we're not. We're going right there. You watch the whole Virgin Orbit. I'm going there right now. Don't worry. You won't miss a thing. Flippin' heck. Hey, don't worry.
2 minutes. And then after that, major activity will be the T-minus 40-second gate. There's
Tesla's going up
at the 33 Raptor engines. There are 20 engines in a circle on the outside, and as Shiva said earlier, 13 engines on the center. Those are the ones that gimbal and steer the vehicle.
It's exciting.
I don't think I've ever seen someone so excited for TVC wiggles.
Love this view. These are the 33 Raptor engines.
Just
at
stay
the
on
base of the
SpaceX.
super heavy booster.
Can we have a vote, please?
I think we can see those wiggles now.
Can we have a vote?
We're currently
Start
inside
poll.
90 seconds. Next major activity, T-minus 40 seconds.
Should I stay?
That is a gate, a decision point. We're waiting. Possibility the propulsion
SpaceX.
team may need a few minutes.
Yes or no?
Flight termination system is armed for flight. We're getting ready for T-minus 1 minute and counting. No, T-minus 1 minute and counting.
Yes, we are live.
Next, we'll see as we get past T-minus 40 seconds for final checks.
Yes,
of the
we
vehicle.
are live. It's like everyone gets excited. Tesla's going up. I just bought another share of Tesla. I'm holding the rest in cash. Bloody hell. This is something. Yeah. This is what you'd get if I was presenting.
Okay, you can see the
presenting
clock
Virgin Orbit. Right, here we go.
is recycled. Flight director has called a hold. We are recycling. For the moment, we'll see where they move the clock back to. They could hold at T-minus 40 seconds. They could go to an earlier point. Give us a minute to listen into the nets, and we'll see if we can get you more information to share.
Not again. Vote, please, if you want me to keep on SpaceX. 15 votes. If you've just tuned in, please do hit the like button. This is very, very exciting stuff if you want SpaceX to do well today. We're watching Tesla. It's going up. I just bought that extra share on Tesla. I'm now holding 16 shares of Tesla. Down 3.92. I just bought one at 164. I'm still holding J&J. I could buy more. I could sell another share of Tesla. Countdown hold for final launch checkouts. Oh. Let's hope this is not a disaster again. What happened? We're watching it. The overall markets are going down slightly. The S&P is just flat. Everything's just going flat. Virgin Galactic is going up. Rivian's going down. Tesla is going up at 166. Oh, no, Tesla's dropping now. I might buy another one. The bell's just gone. The bell has just gone as well. For the markets are now open. Obviously, might react to this a little bit. They're just checking. I've got the audio. We're listening in. Doge down 4% on the minute. There we go. We've got the audio feed. We're listening in. Dogecoin dropping. No surprise.
John Innsbrucker again here at the Hawthorne webcast desk. We're holding a T-minus 40 seconds. What we've heard so far is we have a couple of issues we're working. One is the booster tank pressurization. Final pressurization was just a little bit long. That's not unusual. We've held at T-minus 40 seconds before to pressurize. That appears to have been resolved. At the same time on the second stage, they're working some final purging. We should know very shortly if that is cleared and if we'll continue the countdown.
Everyone, especially that person, is excited to keep going. Like John said, we should know shortly if we are able to continue. But as we mentioned before, we are able to hold up to 15 minutes and still be able to lift off today.
Yeah, on Falcon 9, it's a little bit different. Once we start propellant loading, we pretty much have to go at the targeted time. Otherwise, the propellants can warm up and we may not have the performance for that particular mission profile. It's a little bit different on Starship.
Folks, if I can interrupt,
yeah.
It looks like they're clearing all the flags, and we're going to release at T-minus 40 seconds.
That is amazing news.
Amazing.
Team working quickly through their issues on first and second stages.
Wow. That's
I'm sure
something,
all of the
innit?
rehearsals and simulations that they've been doing have prepared them to evaluate this data quickly.
Bloody hell.
To try
Talk
to
about
get us
pressure.
in for
Get to
today's launch
40
attempts.
seconds and then stop. Tesla's at 165.
For those of you just joining, we have a brief hold at the T-minus 40 second mark. The team is resolving one issue
I hear a
with the
lawnmower.
purge on the stage 2
Or
Raptors.
is it the fan?
Like
No,
John just said,
it's the fan on
teams are quickly
SpaceX.
working that, and it looks like the flags are being cleared as we speak. So we should be able to resume the launch countdown any moment now.
Lucid is coming up
And it's
quickly.
worth noting on Starship that once we resume
Apple
the
is
countdown, it
shooting up.
restarts from the 40-second period.
Amazon is
and
the
then
whole
we
market
keep
is
going
shooting up.
unless another condition pops up. So stick around.
Coca-Cola,
because,
everything is
Starship
piling
could
up.
be going here real soon.
The markets are returning very, very quickly.
Don't walk away, that's for sure. Amazing views here
Tesla's
coming to
going
us
up.
from Starbase, Texas.
Oh my God, here we go. Woohoo! I'm excited. I'm glad I'm covering this. Will you see it if you stand on your roof? I have no idea. Here we go.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3.
going up.
Upper chamber pressure is nominal.
Oh my God.
2 plus 33 seconds into the test flight of the inaugural Starship vehicle. Tower cleared, we're into pitch over.
If we get to 100 likes, we're going to give a cash prize away. Everybody tap the hearts on the screen.
Twice the thrust of the Saturn V heading to space.
Acquisition of signal, surface proceed.
We're throttled down and throttled back up. Going through the period of maximum aerodynamic pressure.
The markets are flying up. Tesla's going up 167.
As the velocity increases, the density of the atmosphere is decreasing.
Max Q.
Lessening stress on the vehicle. The call out, max Q now. Continuing to watch the first stage as we head downrange. "100 seconds into flight. Our next major activity is going to be shutdown of the first stage. The Houston tracking station now acquiring the vehicle. With shutdown, we will get separation of Starship from Super Heavy and ignition of the Starship engines. When Starship separates, we light up 6 engines in a staggered sequence. If all goes well, those 6 engines will burn for almost 6.5 minutes. Onboard view from Starship. And there's views of the Raptor engines on the second stage as we prepare for stage separation. Now after stage separation, the first stage will flip and begin a boost back maneuver for landing in the Gulf. Continuing to fly, 2 minutes 40 seconds. Let's get ready for main engine cutoff.
Tesla is piling up now. The overall markets are moving.
Beginning to flip for stage separation.
Isn't this incredible to watch? Does everyone feel like we're witnessing history here? Everyone tap the likes button in the super chat, in the chat.
Awaiting stage separation, where Starship should separate from the Super Heavy booster.
I feel really honored that I'm sharing this with all of
Kate,
you. This
right
is
now
history
it looks
right
like
now.
we saw the start of the flip, but obviously we're seeing from the ground cameras the entire Starship stack continuing to rotate. We should have had separation by now. Obviously, this is does not appear to be a nominal situation.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it does appear to be spinning, but I do want to remind everyone that everything after clearing the tower was icing on the cake.
Oh.
As you saw, as we promised, an exciting end to the Starship inaugural integrated test flight.
I'm confused why everyone's cheering.
Everyone here absolutely pumped to clear the pad and make it this far into the test flight, the first integrated flight of the booster and the Starship vehicle.
Live view there of our control center at Starbase, which we refer to as
There's
Star
Elon,
Command. As we said before, obviously,
Oh, audio, just bear with me.
make it all the way through, but to get this far, honestly, is amazing.
So we're all
Well,
good.
if you're just joining us, Starship just experienced what we call a rapid unscheduled disassembly, or a RUD, during ascent. But now this was a development test. This is the first test flight of Starship, and the goal was to gather the data, and as we said, clear the pad and get ready to go again. So you never know exactly what's going to happen, but as we promised, excitement is guaranteed. And Starship gave us a rather spectacular end to what was truly an incredible test thus far.
As we mentioned at the start of today's program, any and all the data that we collected during the test.
All right, there we go. I can't believe it. We've just witnessed, I don't know how many billions of dollars Elon Musk just lost, and everyone's excited. I'm like, wow, it blew up. It was great, like they said. You know, the first time it got off the ground, it's really, really great. But it exploded. How many billions of dollars did Elon Musk just lose? And everyone's smiling. I'd be like, right, okay, I'm now bankrupt. I mean, bloody hell. How many billions of dollars did it just cost to blow up a Starship? I mean, anyway, really, really great, I suppose. It got off the ground, which it is great. Let's read some of your comments. It's a development test for the data. Why are they happy that it exploded? I know, because it's part of it. But I guess this is what it's like, right? Because it's only their first flight. Keaton S. It's only the way to clear the tower. That was the key thing. The rest was a cherry on the cake. Okay. T.O. Roll, they'll get it right. I mean, they've crashed millions of times. Well, not millions, you know what I'm saying. It's all part of it. Hey, T.O. Roll, like that millions, poof, it's gone. How much did that cost? Unscheduled disassembly, LOL, it broke up. It was a test, though, that's right. Wow, what a thing to see, eh? It ain't big for him. I guess it's not. Is the explosion good for SPCE? I doubt it. Yeah. Well, someone will disagree with me. All right, there we go. Virgin Galactic. He could get on stage and pull his pants down and they'd all be cheering exactly the same way. Elon says it's 50% chance it would be successful this time anyway. Need to recover that scrap metal. Yeah, absolutely. Damn, he lost money faster than Tesla's shares. Conflict is part of a nice narrative. It's not Virgin Galactic. He can now blow 6 of that, not getting so much affected, said Mohammed. It was a test, but it shouldn't have exploded then. Funny that they cheer when they lose all of that, I know. Virgin Galactic seems to love it. Rob Newland, let's go back to Tesla and watch what's happening. Tesla's coming up. Everyone seems to be happy. Let's blow up rockets. That's what you got to do. If you want the markets to go up, just blow up rockets. Look. I mean, it doesn't. I mean, the way it is they've had some success, right? They've had some success. The markets like it. They're smarter than me. They're okay with it. They think it's great. So I'm very pleased for everybody that involved. Obviously, it's very exciting. There it is. Tesla is coming up. My overall portfolio is coming up. My not quite at my all-time high, but about $500 away from that. But anyway, Elon probably sell Tesla to pay for it. Probably. Well then, there you go, says Flutter Edits. Bill says, CNN Miles Bryan says, anything the tower on takeoff was gravy on the flight. Don't worry, it was insured. Good for the tax dollars. All right. What a show, Rocket. What a show. Rocket explosion. Boom. Fireworks. All right. I love all the comments. Absolutely brilliant. Right. If we get 100 likes today on the video, we're giving away a cash prize. We're at 30 likes now. There's 50 watching. If we get 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize. So smash the like button if you want to win a cash prize today. Now then. Tesla, we're looking at the overall markets. Let's go through our positions. The markets like it. Virgin, the S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up. I'm not buying it. This is the best I've been now. And just 9% down on my main position. I'm not buying it until it's down at 3. Virgin Orbit, that is down today. How much is that down by? Yeah, 19, all over the place. Rivian, down today. I bought some more. It's trying to push up. Tesla is up. It's going up now. I bought at 164. Was it 164? I bought it. So we're making money on that share. Where is it? Yeah, 164. We're at 168 now. So I've lowered my average. We're virtually in the money. I've got shares to trim now. Rob Newland, let me go back to Discord. You should be in by now. So Rob, go on to Discord. You should have. I think you've waited long enough. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Rob, here is our Discord. Here is our Discord. Hang on a minute. It's not showing. It will in a second. All right. See, we all get glitches. I get them as well. And let's be honest. If I can get them, SpaceX can. All right. Here is our Discord. Go into welcome all. It's on the left-hand side of the screen. All right. And you've already got people welcome you in. You've got Brickmark welcome you in. You've got Aviation mobile apps. They're waiting for you. Come into the welcome all and you'll be live and we'll have you and we can upgrade your account. All right. Okay. Let's get straight into our positions again. Bought 132 shares from Tesla at 168. Wow. Wow. Absolutely great. Congratulations. I bought one at 164. How about that? I bought one. I've got 16 shares now. Stephen Lewandowski, 132 shares. Flipping out. One of our biggest investors here on the channel. Always great having Stephen here. Excellent stuff. All right. Okay, we'll keep an eye on Rob if he appears on Discord. I'll upgrade him. Nicholas Morello, Martin, how many shares of Space do you own? I own 337 because I have one in my Roth IRA. I was going to buy it at 3, but I don't care. I've got enough. I don't mind. Still waiting, mate. This is taking ages. It takes 10 minutes. Baron Handley is welcome you as well. Everyone's coming in. Look at this. You're getting the royal welcome. It's like you've got a coronation or something. Look at this. You got all these people here waiting for you. If you verified your email, it should be done. It only takes 10 minutes. Virgin Galactic. It's going up today. I'm down 8%. I'm not going to buy any more. Love it. Okay. My overall portfolio likes it. There we go. Moving up, we'll be green in a minute. Ali Tisro is also, he's like, bloody hell. He's got like the royal coronation. There we go, 53,000. Right, we're $350 away from an all-time high. Absolutely great. So was I right this morning selling 2 shares of J&J to buy Tesla? I say so at this point anyway. Virgin Galactic is going up. The overall portfolio is coming up. S&P is coming up. Rivian. I'm not buying any more. Tesla. Yeah, 169. Oh, it's coming up quickly. This is nice. It's about to hit my average now. That's good. That's a perfect. Apple's coming up. Amazon. McDonald's. Now, what I want to see is J&J go down after I sold to buy back with the profit that I get from the 2 shares of Tesla. That would be the perfect trade. It's going up slightly, but overall, if it goes up, it's great. I've got like 33 shares of it. This on my Roth and my brokerage. So either way, I win, but you know what I'm saying. Google liked it. Of course, Google investing in SpaceX, so they'll be glad it got off the ground anyway. Still waiting, mate. This is taking ages. Baron Hanley, quickly have a look at crypto market, please. Yes, I will do it. Here is the bubbles. Let's go over to bubble. This is our crypto bubbles. Let's have a look. Let's go on the hour first of all. Let's see. KAS up 6.5%. Dogecoin. There it is. Dogecoin did not fly into space today. Down 4.2. It pumped because of Meme Coin Day, April the 20th, we know. And it's gone down. I think Elon Musk is a little bit busy to be tweeting about Dogecoin right now. But anyway, there you go. Let's look on the day position. Let's see how that changes. CAS is up 12.8. That's the star of the day. What about the star of the week? The week, we've got XRD up 49%. This month, we are looking at, you all know, XRD 176%. Doge is up 22% on the week. On the month. Dogecoin on the week is only up 1% now, because obviously it's lost after today, down 3.7. It's making a slight recovery. No, it's not. It's 4.3. I beg your pardon. 4.3 down. All right. Okay, back to our main positions here. And let's see what we got. Google's going up. Microsoft. Let's look at Tilray. Tilray, where's Elon's tweets? You want me to share Elon's tweets, Baron Handley? Bloody hell, mate. I'll try. Next Era Energy. Enphase Energy. Down slightly. Bitcoin down 0.37. Tilray Brands, no surprise. Bit of attention on this cannabis stock today. There we go. These are all my positions. Robinhood. Let's go to the Roth. That's not my main position. My main position is here. And let's have a look. Up to 0.23. Bought some more Doge. Not advice. As said, if no tweets today, it will drop further. But at some point, there'll be a meme coin narrative. I don't mind holding it long term. There you go. There's a tip there from Sensei Crypto. Brilliant. Excellent stuff. SoFi. IonQ. IonQ. Let's go to my Roth position. That's where I'm holding it. Okay, let's have a quick look. And I'm down 1.61. I could add a little bit more. It's not down low enough to buy any more, though. Ford, 4.3. Rio Tinto. Meta, down 0.6. I have Doge, not retiring anytime soon. Jez West, great to see you here. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, everybody, on TikTok. We've got our biggest ever giveaway coming up in just 8 days' time. $1,025 value. We've just increased the cash prize to $125. 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius, and he'll give you the money to invest as well. Absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. Here is the giveaway link. It's free to enter, free for all. There are things you can do to win more tickets. We've got all kinds of things you can do. I'll post it 3 times. We're running a poll. Oh, let me share with you the screen what it looks like. There you go. There are 42 people now have taken part. Lots of tickets. People have done lots of things to win tickets. But you can win with just 1 ticket. These are all the actions you can do. Go and check it out. Let's see if it's moved today. 1,334 is now 1,367. Congratulations if you've taken part. Thank you, Leah. I just got a cup of coffee from the lovely Leah. There we go. There we go. One of my mugs. If you want to get one of my mugs in the shop, remember, if you trade with a mug, you always make money. It's like magic. Don't believe it? Check it out. Not bad. Sorry, it's been a while, Jez. It's lovely to have you here. We've grown a lot since you've last here. Portfolio has grown a lot as well. Let me share with you where we're going. So yeah, take part in that giveaway. It's free, and it's $1,000. And I say it's $1,000. It's actually worth more than that. You know me. I undersell and over deliver. That's my motto on this channel. What brand of coffee? Just Nescafe. Good old Nescafe. Couple of digestives dunked in there. Right, we've got 47 watching, 33 likes. If we get to 50 likes, I will do my first vocal impression. If we get to 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize live on the show. So we're at 33 likes right now. Smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell, and don't forget to bop the like, because if we get to 100, I will give away a cash prize. There we go. All right. My screen got stuck then for a minute. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's go back to our main positions and see where we're going. Hang on. Computer's playing up a bit today. Never mind. We'll do it manually. I've got manual overrides. See, overrides and turn them off. Oh, yeah. So let me press that button and that button, and we should be able to fix it. All right? That'll go in a minute. Virgin Galactic is going back down again. So it's very, very weak. That's why I didn't buy in. It's still very weak. Just a reaction to Starlink. That's all. SpaceX, sorry. Don't know where that's coming from. Right, Tesla. So we had a quick reaction this morning. Nice bouncing space and gone again. Yeah, that's why I didn't buy it. I'm only buying it at 3. I'm not buying anything that goes up. I only buy things that I want when they're on sale. I already know what I want to buy. I've already made my decisions of what I'm investing in. All I'm doing is looking for discounts when they go down. That's it. I have to go down soon. See you all. Have to go down soon. See you all in the closing. See you later, Sinze. Lovely to have you here. Nice bounce in space. Good morning, all. Good morning, Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you this morning? Lucid. Has Rob made it through Discord yet? Oh my gosh, Rob, you got so many welcomes. It's ridiculous. You are now like the most. I've never seen anything like it. More people have welcomed you in here. It's like you're like the I don't know, the King of England. Look. Brickmark, welcome, Rob. Aviation Mobile Apps, designer of the apps for Virgin Orbits, navigation systems. Welcome, Baron Handley. Ali Tisro, welcome. Eric B. Look at that, look. Talk about a welcome. Here comes Mike. Rob's saying, I signed up and verified email, but still won't let me on the message board. It says I don't have permission from webhooks, and I don't know what that is. It just takes 10 minutes. It works every time. We've never had a problem. There's no reason why it won't. Just have patience. Now Mike's coming in. Now Stephen Lewandowski's coming in. Just make sure that you did click on the right link, right? Let me just see. I want to make sure that you clicked on the right link. I want to make sure. I'm sure you did, but because I will see you in there. What is your name on Discord? He's now got a welcome from Mike and Stephen. Yep, it is the right one. I just checked it. It's the right link. There's nothing wrong with it. Supposed to be a business update today. Supposed to be a business update today. I just messaged you. Okay. Supposed to be a business update today. What for, Crag? What's going on? Oh, I see. With space. Good afternoon, Queen. Can't wait for the bell. A couple of weeks, maybe. Sold Sony after 9% reward for pre-market Tesla. Very nice. Sold Sony after 9% reward for pre-market Tesla. Very nice indeed. Okay, let's go back to Tesla for a minute. Okay, going back down again. The overall position is up today, though. Well, we're heading up again. So let me go and check. Rob, he said he messaged me. No, I've got no message. I don't know. I've got no message, Rob. I just messaged you. You haven't messaged me on Discord. I've got no message on Discord. I don't know where you've messaged me. Where have you messaged me? No. I've not got no messages from you anywhere. No. I've gone through all my social media and I don't have any messages from you anywhere. So your system isn't sending out messages or something anyway. I message you on Messenger on YouTube. Oh, I see. I can't really go in there right now, Rob. Sorry about that. Yeah, I can't really do Messenger, Facebook Messenger as well. I'm sorry. I have 14 screens around me, over 100 windows open, and I have limits, and I don't do Facebook Messenger during during the show. Yeah, I'm trying to, but I can't open another screen up. It creates chaos. Anyway, Discord, welcome all. Quick question: should I go to the gym later? Absolutely right. Yes, you should. So should I. So should I, Jez West. You'll get it. You'll get it, Rob. Everyone's in there waiting for you. Tesla. Lucid. We're looking for opportunities this morning. Apple. Coming to welcome all, and then Martyn can upgrade you. Yeah, I don't know where he is. He's not on Discord at the moment. Well, it's not working, mate. I sent you a screenshot to show you. I give up now. All right, no worries, mate. Well, when you... Anyway, if you've got a YouTube channel, let me know, and I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. This is the homepage of the YouTube channel. This is all my silver members and upwards. And if you get a YouTube channel you want to promote, let me know, and I'll put it on the homepage here, and I'll get everyone to subscribe to you as a member. We have members days and all sorts of stuff, and you might be interested in. All right, okay. Sometimes Discord, if your email is flagged, if it's regarded as a problem email, that might be it. I don't know if your email's been shut down or unverified. I don't know. When I'm off air, I will try and help you. Mike says, where is your old friend? Where can he be? Mike, I don't know. Mike's asking that question. I don't even see him on Discord. Rob, if you give me your name on Discord, I'll look for you on the list. I don't even see you actually in Discord. Ah, what you meant was the pub, Jez West. After the gym, should a giant slice of New York pizza. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right. We're going to do day trader of the day right now and see who's up and see who's down. Virgin Galactic going back down again. I'm going to take my jacket off. It's a bit hot. It's getting a bit hot in the studio today. Jim, not the pub. So, we sold J&J. That was a good decision. I sold 2 J&J. Now, I can always buy back. That's great. I can always buy back J&J. So that was good. I trimmed off the top. The markets are going down, and I bought Tesla at 164. So I've improved my position. I've still got one share I can buy. But I'm not buying it at this point. Let's have a look. What was the poll? Should I start? Oh, yeah, I can end that now. Okay. Let me see how low you think Tesla's going to go. Because I can buy one more share of it without selling another share of J&J. Because now J&J is going down. I don't want to sell it. So let's do a poll. And Tesla price. Right? Tesla price. Where do you see it going? So let's go. Just, I mean, like in the near term. Today, tomorrow. All right? How low are we going to go? Are we going to go 170? This is just rough. All right? 170. 160. 150. Or lower. Okay? So where do you see it going now? Right? Just the near term. For me buying more shares. 170, 160, 150 or lower. Okay? Let's have a look. See what you think. I just bought one at 164 to add. I've now got 16. And I only want to buy it really if it goes lower. I don't want to be in anymore. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Still too expensive. Coca-Cola. I'm holding. J&J. It's going down. I'm still at 1.1. So good to trim off a little bit, perhaps, make my profit from Tesla and then come back. Exactly what I want to do. Google. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. No. Next Era Energy. No. Enphase Energy. Let's go to my, getting a bit of a drop there. Bit of a drop. Let me have a closer look. I've made money on this several times. It's very expensive, but it has the best balance sheet you've ever seen. If you study the balance sheet, which you obviously should do if you're buying any stocks, it's got the best balance sheet you've ever seen. But it's very expensive. Right. We're going to... Space is starting to talk like a stone. SPCE is starting to talk like a stone. I'm not sure what you mean by that. It's why I won't buy it over $3 now. I'm just holding my position. That's it. Everyone gets excited. It's reacting like Virgin Orbit, just rescue bankrupt stock sort of thing. It's not good. It's not good. Let me go through Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Let's go to my yeah. I'm 6% down on this now. Not buying any more. Tesla bought at 164. So let's have a look. Let's have what everyone says. Only 9% say it's going to go lower than 150. 45% is 170. Okay, 160, 150. So that's quite good. So most of you now, 45, 55, 63. 63% of you are where it is now. Between 160, 170, you're happy with that. Okay. Only 9% of you think it's going to go lower than 150. So now that's pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm going to hold that little bit of cash. If we do get, because I have got I've got a limit order at 150 just in case to catch it if it drops. I don't see it going there. I was looking at it last night, thinking after the earnings report and thinking how Tesla normally reacts after earnings. It often drops big. It dropped less than normal. So that shows strength, if anything. So I think I'm all right here, and I think 172 as an average, as 16 shares, is a nice position. I think I can do all right. I think we could be back at 170 in a minute, and at least I've got my money back and start trimming off a little bit if we want to. There we go, at 168. I don't think it's going to go much lower. Most of you don't either. 12 votes. Carry on voting. Space is dropping like a stone. Yeah, it went straight up and straight back down again. It's why I didn't buy it. Okay. How many people have come through the stream this morning? 164. We tried to get to 200 before a show, but a little bit quiet this morning. I thought today might have been busier, but no, it's a bit quieter today. Never mind. Virgin Galactic's now giving up the ghost. It's now going red again. Virgin Orbit. You can see how it's trading. People just taking their profits out of it. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. Apple should be in the green soon. I'm up 14% on Apple. 14.65. Amazon, strong. McDonald's. I want to buy McDonald's. Not for the burgers, for the land ownership. Coca-Cola. I've got 2 positions on my Roth and my brokerage. J&J, just coming up a little bit. I don't want to trim anymore, and I certainly don't want to buy anymore. So I'm right in the middle now. Google's doing well for me now at last. I'm up 0.41. I'm making money for the first time on Google since re-entering it, so that's good. I've got a reasonable position. In the last 30 days, Coca-Cola has gone up 5%. Let's have a look. Yes, let's have a look over the last week. Let's have a look at Coca-Cola over the last week. Yep, last 30 days, last month. That's better. Last 30 days, yeah, 5.39. It's a big part of my portfolio. I've got 32 shares on my brokerage, which is 5.5% of my portfolio. So the dividends and the growth has been phenomenal over this month. Yes, very good. If I go to my Roth, so I've gained $111 in a month on Coca-Cola. If I go to my Roth position, let's have a little look. I've got 36 shares and 118. So I've got about the same on both. So 2, 4, sort of nearly $5,000 worth of Coca-Cola. So yeah, pretty good, pretty nice. 17% of my Roth IRA. So yeah, very, very important to have that, I think. 5.46, very good indeed. J&J's recovering a little bit. Google's doing well today. Microsoft is coming up. So it's not too bad today, actually. Things are okay. End phase, I'm up 3% now. Got good dividends as well there. Very nice. Bitcoin's down 0.22. Let's go over to our crypto bubbles and have a quick look. Yeah, it's still, Hex is down. The big, Doge is suffering now. Doge is suffering. Let's have a quick look. Doge is down 4.9. There was no reaction from Elon Musk, of course. Some of you are buying it because it has gone down. I'm not doing anything at the moment. Hex is down 6.7, but the big swings upwards are RNDR is up 4.5. That's on the hour. If we look at the day position, you can see that the biggest gainer today is KAS up 17.8 today. All right, there we go. That's our crypto movement right there. Let's do day trader of the day. We've got 15 votes now, and 60% of you, 60%, 160, 170 on Tesla, where it is now. So that's good. That's good because we will climb again in the next few weeks. So that's good. So I'm going to be in profit soon, I think. I've got an average of 172. So 60% of you. Only 20% of you think it's going to go lower than 150. All right. So let's do day trader of the day. I'm down very slightly. I can live with that. Down 0.26. So I haven't done any trades today. I've sold J&J for 1.2% profit. So I've made some profit this morning. The target is $200 a day. Did you see the Barbie FTX token video? Yes, I did. Fight Channel, brilliant. I watch them all. What percentage does Coca-Cola drop right before they pay for their owners? The reason I'm asking is I need to know when the date is. Second, trim off the top before it drops. You want to know what day the dividend is. What percentage does Coca-Cola drop right before they pay their dividends. I'm not 100% sure of that answer. I'm not 100% sure of that answer, if I'm honest with you. I can't remember from last time. If you join me back this afternoon, well, all right, I'll do it now. Do you know when the dividend is? I'll do it for you now. I'll look on my dividend stock chart. JP Roth. Oh, hang on a second. It's a members perk if I'm going to go into my dividends tracking software, because it takes me 5 minutes to do it. So JP Rothschild, that's one of the things I do for my members. If you want me to back test or go into the dividends and all the rest of it, I can go in and I can tell you all the dividends, the percentages up, down, left and right, all that information. But I go in, I've got a particular bit of software I use, and I can do it for you. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's a members perk. I can't spend 5 minutes now, I'm afraid. Sorry about that, JP. Right, let's do day trader of the day. So here we go. Bring up a minute on the clock. Sid is down 1.26. Up 1.59, Stephen Lewandowski. I'm down 0.26. So the winner so far is Stephen. I'm climbing quickly though, as we all are probably. S&P's coming up. Virgin Galactic's having another go at it. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla, 168. Hey, great. Put your scores on the screen. Down 1.43. Down 1.43. Eric B. Down 0.26. It looks like the winner today is Stephen Lewandowski, up 0.59. Excellent stuff. Thank you very much for your honest trades, Stephen. Give him a thumbs up, as always. Brilliant stuff. And congratulations. Now, we didn't get 50 likes, so I can't do one of my voice impressions. And we got 39. We got pretty close, but we're not there yet. And I can't give a cash prize away because we didn't get to 100 likes. Never mind. Okay. So congratulations, Stephen Lewandowski. You are today's winner. Brilliant stuff. Tesla is coming up. We're going to end the show right there. I'll be back for the closing bell, and there'll be some breaking news, if there is any, throughout the day. Look out for that on my channel. I hope that everyone could help me get to 3,400 watch hours today. We're nearly at 4,000, 3,300 at the moment. Hoping to get to 3,400 later today. Go to my music channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm the World Piano Man. I've got videos here of me doing Michael Jackson, Phantom of the Opera, Elton John's Jacket, where I'm doing Lion King, all these things. Of course, Phantom's now finished off Broadway. So the only place you can hear anyone sing it is on my channel. The One Night in Vegas, the Vegas Showgirls. Click a playlist, watch it, loop it, and hopefully we can get to 3,400 later on today. Okay, that's it from me. Let me roll the credits. Let me get out of here, and I'll see you all back in a short while for the closing bell. Did we get any super chats today? I don't think we did. So let me close that screen down, roll the credits. We may have got some subscribers. Let's have a quick look. Finally, I'm on Discord. He's there. Rob Newland, a new member. You're on the stars of the show today. There you go. Right, Rob. Let me scrub this. Let me scrub the credits. Then I will do it, even though I was finished. This is what we do, right? I'll come back. You're a member now. You get benefits. He's going. I'm a member now. I want benefits. I want benefits. I'm a member. All right. So here we go. I want everyone now to welcome Rob Newland into the channel. Here is Discord. Right. Now the first thing that I do, Rob, is change your name. So I'm not changing your name only on my server. It's so everyone knows who you are on my server, right? Because we get lots of scammers and bots, and we want to make sure that everyone knows who is who. Now, I need to put a warning out to you. You will get contacted by lots of Martyn Lucases. They are not on my server. I cancel them, I ban them straight away. However, just like someone, when they got your phone number, they can contact you. They can't talk in the channels because I ban them. All right? But they look like me. They use my name. They use my logo. They're not me. I never message anyone. I only reply to you. So do not, do that. If you see one, put it in the scam alert and let me know. But remember, I never message you. And you can also tell which is the real me because I have the role of owner. If you go onto the roles, right click it and you'll see I'm the owner. You'll also recognize my number after a while as well. All right, so would everyone please welcome Rob Newland in. Now I'm going to ban you. Now I'm going to give you role as a member. There you go. You're now a member of our channel. As long as you're a member on the channel, you'll be a member here. Okay, so there you go, Rob. Now then, these are the YouTube members' own channels. Silver members and upwards can have their own. So if you are if you just message me and say I'd like my own channel, tell me what you want to call it. Maybe you do. You don't have to. It's something you can have. But down here on the right-hand side, broadcast. This is where you phone into the show. You can call in. So, Rob, if you just drop into the broadcast lounge right there, look, I am there waiting for you. You can now come in to the broadcast lounge. You can either be on video or just on your phone. So just come into that channel right now and you can say hello to the world. And we'd love to welcome you all in. All right? Do you fancy doing that right now? I'll give you a moment to think about it before I go. I was going to finish now, but I will have you on the show live just to say hello. It'd be nice to hear your voice. This is, in fact, if you come in, I will tell everybody how I know you if you're going to come in. But just come into the broadcast channel right there at the bottom of the channels in broadcast. Come in there and you can call into the show. I'm just going to wait here for a minute and see if you do. And if you do, I will have you on the show. So we're just going to wait there just for a moment. If he comes in, we'll have him live on the show. So while we're waiting to give him a second, take him a second to do it. Let's look at the overall portfolio. Heading up slightly. We're keeping that cash on hand. We're not spending that. We're earning 4.4% on uninvested cash. So there's free money there. It's only been a week now, sort of 10 days, and I've earned $1.33. I'll take it. It's free money. That's my money to pay the bills with, all right? Roth IRA is down today. The overall portfolio, we are 400 away from our all-time. Can we do tomorrow? Would love to chat, but I'm out right now. Of course, anytime you want. You can come into the broadcast lounge anytime you want. If you want to share your thoughts, share what you're trading, talk to the family, say hello. As a silver member, we can feature you, you can promote your business or your YouTube channel, whatever you like. That it's there for the members, right? Of course you can. Rob suddenly massively regrets subscribing. Yeah, what the bloody hell was this? Rob's known me all his life. All right, I've known Rob for a very, very long time. And when he comes in, I'll tell you how I know him, and you'll be all like, "Oh my God, that's amazing!" Right? Okay. Right, we're done. That's it. We carried on a little bit extra. Hi, Martyn Lucas in the world. Hi, Martyn Lucas. I'm the world telephone man. Please let me ring your bell. JP Rothschild. Well, if you become a member, you can call in and you can be involved in our show. And we're always looking for new moderators as well. at some point. All right, once we get to know you. Right, that's it from me. I think I'm done. You don't want to see my trades today. Not a good start for me today. Hey, we all have up days. We all have down days. I will say that I've been very fortunate this year. I've been consistently up. This is my year to date. I'm making money consistently. Look, I'm at 9.53 on my main account. Very conservative, very sensible, and I'm consistently up. Wasn't like that last year, and there's a good reason for that. And if we have more time, I will cover it all and explain it all to you. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much for being here, folks. I'm going to get off. We're not going to run the end credits again. We've just done it. And look out for some breaking news videos today. Thanks for joining me over on TikTok. Thanks for all of those of you who joined me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. And let's have a quick look at that poll. It ended up 41 votes saying it would go down. Well, it did, but now it's starting to go up. Did we get any comments on what your thoughts were? I said I would read them out. No, we didn't, so I can't read them out. But that's the poll we were running today on Twitter. If you want to continue voting or leaving your thoughts on this, I will give you the link to it right now. Okay, excellent. And I will finally leave you with the link for the giveaway. $125 cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training from Ed Nevis, our scalp trader. There we go. Stephen Lewandowski, Loopy Looper. Let me end the poll and let me see how many are watching. I'm going to ask you one final question because hopefully we'll be at 3,400 watch hours today. Hopefully we will. Let me ask this question. Who is looping my music? Start a poll. Are you looping my music playlist? Okay, we need to get to 4,000. Yes or please be honest. Yes or no, and I get an indication of how quick we get to 4,000. We're at 3,003. We're touching 3,004 today, I think. There you go. Let's see who votes on that. Are you looping my music? And for those of you who don't have the channel, I'll give it to you here. I'm now going to go. After 1 minute of voting, I'm out of here. There you go. There's the music. All right. And back to here. Quick sip of coffee. Thank you ever so much, everyone on TikTok. Thanks for joining me. I hope you went across to martynlucas.com/giveaway today. That $1,025 cash giveaway value, $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training from Ed Nevis. I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Bye-bye for now on TikTok. Okay, let's have a look. We've got 3 votes. Okay, we'll end the show there. It's gone a bit quiet. 3 votes. And 2 of you are, 1 of you no. Okay, we'll end it there because I think we're coming to the end. Is it a test? If we listen to music right now, we couldn't hear you. No, you can. You don't have to listen to it. You can have it unmuted. During the live shows, you can open another tab and let my music run. It's what a lot of people do because they're trying to help my music channel grow. So they actually have a tab running in the background while they're watching this channel. They often do that. Anyway, I will end it there because it's gone quiet. There's only 3 votes. So that's it. I will see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Until then, be good. As always, take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves and each other. Wasn't that exciting this morning on Starlink? Enjoyed that. Bye-bye for now.